I built a mini military tank using nothing but a matchbox, cassette tape, rubber band, and unhealthy amount of confidence. Today we are doing to test if it survives 4 intense obstacle or falls apart like my grades in physics. So let's build this beast. First, I took a matchbox and gave it purpose. Drilled some wheels holes very professionally using what I call freestyle engineering. Then I post-mortem and old cassette tape. RIP music. Hello military grade wheels. Iron nails become axles and warm gear plus mini motors. It's complicated like every good villain origin story. Wired it up like a mad scientist. Add a fusion battery because these tanks run on plutonium and uranium. Rubber bands become tank tracks, and guess what? It actually moves. I have created complicated technology, and yes, it works. Whoa! We got fully functional tiny tank. Before we go to full battle mode, let's do a warm up on the Natraj plastic scale. Look at that smooth, graceful. We don't like failures here. We like stubborn success. Obstacle number 1. Crush mode. A mini Lambo in our way, what do we do? Crush it. A tiny tank versus tiny box like a monster truck on cheat code. One roll and boom, it fitted. This thing's got some serious attitude. Obstacle number 2. The cluster beans fields, aka bunch of mystery vegetables. My mom's left on the floor. The harsh terrain. This one crucial. Every military tank must handle the tough condition like your ex attitude. Please don't tell my mom I used the beans. Obstacle number 3. The toothpick pile. Don't let the size fool you. This is where tank go crazy. It's slipping, struggling, and just victory. Tony Stark would be proud. Well, maybe not proud, but mildly impressed. Final boss is 75-degree climb up. A wood slab, no brakes, no backup, just hope and rubber bands. If it makes it to the top, you have to like the video. That's the law. I don't make the rules. Will it survive or fall apart like my last relationship? Oh my god, so much stress. Let's go. We did it. It is engineering peak nonsense. So yeah, I made a tiny tank out of literally trash and it's just wrecked everything in the path. This proves 2 things. Anything is possible with the glue and bad decision, and second, my neighborhood probably thinks I'm building something useful. Subscribe if you want to see more nonsense innovation. Comment what I should build next.